a simple idea of how Chat GPT works, right? You think ChatGPT is intelligent? Well, it is, but not the way you think, right? When you ask a question, what are you doing, right? So the GPT will think, what are the best words that I can put it here, right? It basically predict is the word, right? It basically predicts each and every word depending on the context. Okay, so now GPT thinks, okay, what should I tell now? What are you doing? Means basically it's asking me a question. In most of the training data, it pretty much like memorize, like, okay, if somebody asks you, what are you doing? I might say first will be I am. Okay, what the next word? This should be I am running. No, I am talking. Maybe talking is a bit closer. Hmm, I am talking. Wait a minute. I think I should say I'm here to slap you. No, slap is not the right word. Hate you? No. I'm here to help you. Right? So basically, each and every word, as and when it tries to predict, you're gonna get a sentence, right? So what's happening here right now is that to given any question, the idea is to vectorize this. Let's say what will have a simple vector like 1.1, 2.1, 0.9. It's just a random example, right? So what is basically as the value of this, and then the closest one could be based on the question is I should be like 2.0, 0.8. So it says, okay, I think this I is the most relevant word right now. So it's pretty much oversimplifying. It's an oversimplified explanation, but what I want people to understand is that when it says that, it basically predicts. That's all, man. It predicts every single word, right? Why do you think it requires a huge amount of compute? You say memory, right? Interchangeably in the AI world. Okay, so basically, it needs a huge amount of context. This is knowledge, right? All the knowledge that is grabbed from the data, and then based on that thing, it will try to correlate, like, okay, what should I answer, what should I answer, what should I answer. So every word is basically thought every single time. It just takes up the entire context, understand from the knowledge, put I, understand the entire context, put am, understand the context, put here, understand the context and put to, understand the context and then say put help you. So this is exactly how most of the model works. This is oversimplified explanation, but to generally put, intelligent, hmm, if you think intelligence is a load of data plus operation, then the definition is very bleak, right? So in reality, intelligence is creativity, right? Creativity brings intelligence. So when somebody says creative, not just doing art, creation is a very vast word, right? All right. See you in the next one.